this video, I'm going to show you how a guardian can make a waitlist booking via the parent portal when there are no vacancies in a specific room. Switching over to the parent portal, the guardian will click on the bookings menu and click make a booking. They will then click on casual booking. So they're going to complete the booking step flow as usual. They're going to select the day they wish to make a booking. And if there are no vacancies, they will see the add to waitlist option. If there are vacancies, they can continue to select those bookings as per usual, and they will be charged and booked in. If they are added to the waitlist, they can click on add to waitlist. They also have the option to select other children if they are listed under that guardian, or other rooms for the child that they've selected. So it's just like a multi-select. And they can click add to waitlist. They click to go to the checkout, confirm, and click confirm and finalize the waitlist booking. It will highlight to them that it is waitlisted, and it will be highlighted orange to identify again the difference between a waitlisted and a confirmed booking. If they've completed everything they need to do, they can log out, or they can go back to the bookings menu and complete their next action. Switching back over into Kidsoft, you will receive your waitlist booking notification. Go to the tab, and on the waitlisted bookings for that specific date, you will see the booking that is waitlisted. Once a space becomes available on that specific day, whether a child has been marked absent or a booking has been cancelled, the status for that waitlisted booking will be updated to notified. This means the guardian will receive a notification and an email advising them that a space has become available. A Kidsoft user may also update the waitlisted booking and convert it into an actual booking by clicking on the green cross in the action column of the waitlist bookings menu. Once you click yes, this will convert that waitlist booking to an actual booking, and that guardian will then receive a notification and an email advising them that they now have a booking for that specific date. For the guardian to accept the waitlisted booking, when they log into their parent portal, they will see that waitlisted booking is now going to sit under pending bookings. And to accept that booking, they can click accept. They also have the ability to decline if circumstances do change. Once they accept that booking, it will take them straight to the booking checkout, where they'll see their surcharges and applicable charges. Confirm that they have read the T's and C's, and confirm and finalise their booking. Now that booking has been updated from waitlisted to booked. Switching back over into Kidsoft, you will see that waitlisted booking has now been updated to booked. For any further information on our waitlist bookings feature, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.